The guy who owns this company, the CEO, he lives in Europe. And he said this to a newspaper. Only two things ever came out of New Haven. Yale University and Gantt.
Wow.
What do you think of that?
I think that's BS. Crazy.
For Yale and Gantt?
So he doesn't know. He's uninformed.
What do you think? Is he right? Only good things ever came out of New Haven were Yale and Gantt?
I mean, no, he's not right, but it's also not a surprise to me that people who run that kind of store would be that kind of like peremptory, egotistical scumbag. I mean,
I don't believe that.
You don't believe that?
No.
You think Gantt's a good thing to come out of New Haven?
I don't know. I've never been here, but I know there's a lot of things that come out of New Haven.
Where do I personally like to shop in New Haven? Honestly, it's a little urban, but I do like Jimmy's. Jimmy's is on Welly Avenue. It's a hip hop store. Sometimes it has a good variety. It's not all just, you know, like urban material. Some of it is like nice flannels, and you can get like, you know, nice kind of like, you know, provocative shirts. When I say provocative, with nice messages on it. So I do like Jimmy's.
Have you ever been to Gantt here? It's a clothing store. You're walking right by it now.
No, actually, I haven't been right here called Gantt, but I always look at it, and it kind of reminds me of Macy's. You know?
How come you never went there?
Well, because I would have thought that they were very expensive, to be honest with you.
Here's what he said in a newspaper interview. Only two things ever came out of New Haven: Yale University and Gantt.
Yale University and Gantt. Well, he's right about Yale University. I don't really know about Gantt.
Well, do you think nothing else is good ever came out of New Haven?
No, actually, a lot of great things have come out of New Haven. Number one, me. No, I love Urban Outfitters, but you know, my number one love is Jimmy's. But Urban Outfitters is great. Gourmet Heaven has the best freaking sandwiches, and you know what I mean, they're so well presented.
So how do you feel about the head of a company who lives in Europe saying that your city has only two good things, Gantt and Yale?
Well, obviously that means, see, I didn't want to really bash him, but obviously that means that he knows nothing about what's going on out here. He's just a businessman, and he's micromanaging. Have no problem with that, but you know, he really doesn't know much. So tell him he should come down, maybe, and walk around and see what else comes out of New Haven.